So today I will be showing how to make a doorbell and chicken gun. So first you go and you get a button. From here you can also get this button, the red button, it doesn't matter really. But I'm going to get the blue button. I'm going to place it right here. Let's throw these away. So now we will go and get a musical instrument. I'll choose the guitar because it sounds the best in my opinion, but you can choose another one. You'll then want to go and get this blue screwdriver. Then you'll connect, and then you'll wire the guitars to the button, and then you'll place the guitars inside the wall. Now you got a doorbell.